In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of delicious country chicken curry, and the specialty of my recipe is that this entire recipe I have made in earthen cookware on a normal gas stove. So you can try this recipe in regular cookware also, but for this recipe I have specially shared some tips and tricks so that the country chicken gets its maximum flavors. So do try it out and let me know how it turned out. Sue's Food Corner special country chicken in an earthen cookware. Hey guys, I'm Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sue's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this exciting recipe. So for this delicious country chicken curry, I have taken country chicken around 1 kg. So depends upon your recipe, but for this recipe I have taken 1 kg of country chicken. These are bone in and skin in chicken pieces cut specially for curry. So this is it. I have nicely washed them, drained the excess water. Salt I will add around 1 tablespoon and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon goes in. Nicely mix everything so that the salt and turmeric powder coats this chicken very well, and this leaves in this marination for around 1 hour. So it's better if we marinate this chicken 1 hour before. And then I need to make a masala paste, spice paste. For that I have taken whole coriander seeds around 1 tablespoon. This goes in a blender, and cumin seeds around 1 teaspoon, some dry red chili. And now I need to nicely blend it, because this is the trick which I always use. Dry blending helps to make the paste better when we add water. To this base I'll add 18 to 20 cloves of garlic and 2-inch ginger. I have chopped it. This goes in, and half a cup of water goes in, so that this can be nicely blended into a very fine puree. Dry grinding helps to blend it better. So the paste is ready. You can see, as I had mentioned earlier, the coriander seeds and the cumin seeds have nicely blended when we have added water. This trick always works. So the base is ready, the masala paste is ready, and this is my lovely earthen cookware that I'll be using on my regular gas stove to cook this chicken. So once it is heated on medium flame, I'll add half a cup of mustard oil. Mustard oil gives a very nice flavor, and just nicely coat the oil in the earthen cookware so that it can be nicely seasoned. And some dry spices goes in, cinnamon sticks 1 inch, some green cardamom and bay leaves goes in, and some sugar I have added around half a teaspoon. Give it a nice mix on medium flame. Then I'll just side the dry spices so that they don't cook excess or they don't burn actually, because this sugar needs to be cooked on medium flame till it starts to bubble up. That adding sugar gives a very nice zing to the organic or the desi chicken curry, or what we call the country chicken curry. So just keep aside the spices in this way, and in medium flame, once the sugar starts to bubble up, as you had seen in video, I'll add sliced onions. These are around 3 large size onions for 1 kg of chicken. Finely slice. Some salt around half teaspoon I'll add so that these onions fry nicely. So the small tips and tricks that I have shared really increases the taste of the recipe. And now we need to fry these onions on medium to high flame for around 7 to 8 minutes till they turn nicely golden in this way. So the onions have turned nicely golden brown. Give it a mix, and the flame is on medium now. So at this stage I'll add some water to this onion so that the temperature decreases instantly. Around 4 tablespoons of water I have added. Give it a mix. Increase the flame, and you will see the onions will release their nice caramelized color in this kadhai or pan. Now after increasing the flame, add the marinated chicken pieces. This goes in high flame. I need to toss for around 6 to 7 minutes in open flame and in high flame. So for 6 to 7 minutes I'll toss it very carefully, because it's an earthen pot. As I said, we cannot just bang on it because it might break. So very carefully I am just cooking it, because we are cooking on a gas stove. So now I have mixed it very well on high flame for around 6 to 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes on high flame, you can see the chicken, the country chicken, it has started to change color, but yet it has not released its moisture because the flame is still high. So now after 6 to 7 minutes of frying this chicken with the onions, I'll add the prepared paste of ginger garlic and the cumin seeds, etc. So this paste goes in, and again after adding the paste I need to saute this chicken with the masala for around 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes of sauteing, reduce the flame to medium, cover it and let it simmer for around 5 to 6 minutes more. After 5 to 6 minutes, you can see The chicken has released its moisture beautifully. This is what I was talking about. The chicken has released its moisture and it will be cooking in its own juice. And now, as you can see, it has released enough water, enough moisture. So give it a mix and increase the flame because we had kept the flame on medium. That's why the chicken has released its water. At this stage, increase the flame, and now in high flame I just need to cook it for more 3 to 5 minutes more. See, the chicken pieces have got some beautiful nice color, and after 3 to 5 minutes I'll add some dry spices, Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, and 1 large tomato I have finely chopped. And to this tomatoes I'll add 2 pinch of salt. The flame is still high as there was moisture, so I am cooking this chicken in high flame. In high flame I'll cook it for more 6 to 7 minutes. In this way you can see, and the water amount will considerably reduce. Give it a mix. In this way everything has been nicely mixed. I have been cooking it for more 4 to 5 minutes. Now reduce the flame to medium, cover it, and I had left it for around 5 to 6 minutes more. And this chicken has been nicely cooking in the gravy of the masala or the spices that we had used, and gradually the masala or spice paste is thickening. So as it is country chicken, this takes a little bit more time than the regular chicken. It has been 15 to 20 minutes now and this chicken has been still cooking. So from now on I'll cook it in open flame without covering, and gradually the chicken will start roasting and its own juice, its own moisture will evaporate. You can see it has started to change color. And meanwhile I have added some fried potatoes. I just love the flavor of the fried potatoes in the chicken curry because the potatoes will absorb the flavor of the chicken. If you don't want, you can entirely avoid it, but I have added. So after the chicken is 70 to 80% done, I have added the potatoes. Now you can see I have been roasting the chicken with the potatoes for more 6 to 7 minutes and it has been beautifully roasted. The color have changed. So this is it after the chicken has cooked around 50 to 60%. Add the fried potatoes and then I need to cook the entire chicken till it's done for around 15 minutes more in open flame. And once you are satisfied with the color, it has been nicely roasted, I have added water. The important thing is that water should be just 1 inch above the chicken. Give it a mix, adjust salt accordingly, and you can see the lovely color of the gravy. And this chicken is almost 80-90% done. Rest will be cooked with water. And garam masala I have added. That's only powder of cinnamon 1 inch and cardamom 2 to 3. That's it, the basic garam masala. There is absolutely no need of any spices because the flavor of country chicken is just awesome. Cover it, and leave it for more 7 to 8 minutes. You can check in between till the chicken is tender and everything is nicely sorted. Here you can see the gravy, the oil has released beautifully, and to me it's done. You can check the seasoning, give it a mix and switch off the flame and let it rest on the gas stove for more 7 to 8 minutes. And after 7 to 8 minutes we can see the actual color of this chicken curry. This is the most raw and authentic way to try this country chicken recipe, and that too I have shared in earthen cookware, and you can see it has turned out to be super yum. The color speaks a lot about this recipe, and as I had said, it will take some more time than the regular broiler chicken. It takes around 1 kg of chicken. It took me around 50 to 60 minutes, 1 hour you can call it. So next time when you are at ease, do try this delicious recipe of country chicken. You will love the flavors. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Chittaranjan Behra. He writes, superb and mind-blowing video, yummy recipes. Thank you so much, Chittaranjan. I just love this one-liner comment. So simple yet so significant. Thank you. Stay safe and stay connected. For today's recipe, that's delicious country chicken cooked in earthen cookware. Do try this recipe in whichever cookware you can. You will still love the flavors of this chicken. You can follow So's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.